Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set up bills and expenses settings in QuickBooks Online. So this video will focus on show tags field on expense and purchase forms. So I'm talking about when you go to your settings on expenses, bills expenses, you will see this. So tax field on expense and purchase forms. So that's the focus of this video. And now I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online and go over tagline. Okay, so now I'm on QuickBooks Online. And when you go to settings and under expenses, you will see this. Okay, so right now it's off. So that means when you go to your expense and purchase form, you will not see tagline, expense or any of these. There's no tagline in here. Okay. Now, if I turn that on, you will see tagline. Okay, I'm going to turn this on and then save it. And now I'm going to go to the same expense form. So now you see tag in here. Okay, this video is not for how to use tag, but it's basically when you enter your expenses or add purchase order, if you're tracking by tags, uh, this one is very useful. Depends on what type of business you're in. Let's say, for example, I have the labor. I'm tracking all the labor whenever I have income and labor related to that income or any other expenses related to that income. So I'll just tag labor, and when you run the P&L, you will see you can run the P&L by the tagline. Like for example, I'm going to go in here. So this is basic P&L, but in here you may have noticed this is the tagline in here. So this is I have labeled in here. So if I run this, you can see how much income and expenses I have related to that tagline. In this case, I just call this labor, okay? And so that's how you use that tagline. It is very useful, especially if you are still labor in here. You can name any way you want it. I just named it labor in here. So if you are tracking certain expenses, certain income, and you want to group it, then the tag field is very, very important. And so you may have noticed from your bank feeds too, and I'm not sure you're using it or not. Okay, so look in here, right now, it has a tagline in here. So even if you turn that off, like go to the gear icon and turn that off, you will still see it uh, on your bank field. Bank field. Okay, so now it's off. Make sure it's off. Okay, it's off now, right? But if you go to the bank field, you will still see it. So you still see the tagline here, and you can still use it from your bank feed, even if you have turn off on the settings. Uh, but if you don't want to see this or don't use it at all, you can go in here and then remove that checkbox. So tax field. Okay, now you don't see it anymore. All right, so that's how it works. If it's kind of annoying to see the tagline when you do categorize the bank feed, that's what you do. So many, most of them. If you don't use it, then it's kind of annoying or whatever, and so you can just uncheck it from there. But if you, it depends on what type of business you are in. It could be very useful if you are tracking certain tags, you know. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. And on my next video, I'm going to go over some of the other stuff. So just check all these my videos, and you will see all expense settings in here. Okay. Thank you. Bye.